Right, rounded corners on containers. Why you couldn't do what you can currently see on the screen, but why you can now and how to do it. So I'm gonna this here why you couldn't do before, because that's a 1 column container. This is a 2 column container. You could always change the background of elements and columns, and you could change the corners, the rounded corners of particular elements. But what you couldn't do is get this overall rounded effect. So I'm going to show you how you can now do that. So I'm going to start from scratch and add a 1 column container and a 2 column container, and I'm going to just put my background on there just for now so you can see it. Okay, so there's my 1 column and 2 column container, and I can move it down. That's fine. Now, background colors. Before you could set a background color which will go right across the screen, but now you can also set the inside color. So if I set that to a green, and I can do the same for this one. So that's cool, that's fine. So that's the first thing that's new. You can set the inside color of a container as well as the right across the screen color. But we want the rounded corners, and we edit the container and go to borders, and now we have top corner radius, bottom corner radius. So if I set both of these at 15 and both of these ones, the second one at 15, you can see I've now got 15 pixel corner radius, like that. That's fine, but it doesn't join up. So you're probably way ahead of me, but what you can do is keep the top corner radius 0 on the bottom one, and the bottom corner radius 0 on that one, and now we get the nice rounded effect. And I mean, what you can then do is, if you want to go on, you can actually add another container in the middle. Let me just quickly show you that. Just tidy this up so we end up with what I showed you. I can put a column in the middle, so I add a new column and move it up so it's in the middle there, and then I can set the background color, the inside color, to yellow or the same green, and by not setting the border radius of that container, it just sits right in the middle, and I can duplicate that as many times as I want actually, and have as many containers in there as I want, and so on, and that gives me the one rounded corner all the way around with all my various content in the middle, which is rather nice. If you like rounded corners, that's something you're going to love using, so have fun. That's there right now. Let me know how you get on, and if you need any help, shout out here.